So for the website challenge, my theme was child development. So as my title header, I wanted to make sure that was big and bold for them to see and be attracted to with this side decoration. My pages are the home page, the assignments within the year, the fun activities that we'll be mainly using throughout the classroom, the importance of this class and the benefits, and then just basic contact information for myself, for the kids too, and other teachers and their parents. So these images kind of just represent child development itself, from conception to being an infant and bonding with other people. And throughout this course, this is just like the basic fundamentals within what you'll need throughout your life. I have just like a little information about me, just so they know who their teacher is. So for my second page, assignments, so basically just a layout of what's inside the syllabus, and I wanted to make sure that was here too. So kind of these are basically just like bullet points, like information that they will need to know before the school year starts. So like I have here, before the first week of class, they need to have this done. Just a layout of the exams here, how many quizzes we'll have, and the dropping of 3, so they know that beforehand, and the extra credit here. So this is basically just a summary of what is in the syllabus, but just some highlighted points that they will need to know. And then my third page, just the main fun activities throughout, which is my virtual life, which I've talked about that a lot throughout this course. And then the taking home the baby, which multiple schools do that, that offer this course. And underneath is just a brief explanation of what that is. And then for the importance, I have why is this class important to take? So that's the main question. Why should your student and your child be taking this? And why, in a student perspective, why do I need to take this course? Besides, you need to take this as a choice and option. So I have just a few bullet points here, just some fun information. And then I have the videos down here. So this is just what happens within the womb. I mean, this doesn't really correlate to this little side note, but it is important to have on here because we will be learning about that throughout the course, and that's what the course title is: child development, the development within the child within the womb. And here is just milestones throughout being a toddler, which is very important to know and to have, especially being a parent or a potential aunt or uncle or whoever you are, because if you're around a child, you're going to need to know that because they're going to use those skills throughout their life. And then, of course, the contact information of myself. So I have my phone number, my email, and then a fake address because I don't know what school they'll be contacting I'll be at. And then here's just like a layout and a little side note of when to contact me as their teacher. So there we go.